Wild Horses, can I help you? Hi, my name is Johnny Rose. I've been at Wild Horses for a little over 20 years. I've had my Bronco 73 for about 18 years. Owning a Bronco uses a lot of your time and money and patience. Once you own a Bronco, you're in that tight niche with all the other Bronco people. You just gotta love it. Wild Horses, this is Johnny, can I help you? So before coming to work at Wild Horses, I worked at one of the biggest parts stores here in town. Doing that, I built motors for the race car. We raced for multiple years and then got the great job at Wild Horses. It was probably the best job I've ever had. You never know what you're going to expect when you come to work. Talk to different people every day from all over the world. Working at Wild Horses is my second family. I see them just as much as my real family, so they have to be.